Hello guys, I'm Aharon Kaz. To tell you in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail rescue, how to go for your Gmail recovery by using alternative approach, even if you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number. So this strategy will be effectively functional when someone who has hacked your Gmail ID, change the password, change the everything. Now you would like to reset and once again get it back. How do you? Because you don't have the reset, the recovery number and the recovery emails. In a case also you have lost your device or unfortunately you don't have the access to your device, you don't have a number, you don't have a specialized emails so that you can recover of it. So how do you? Let's see, we will live here. We will live especially recover it because this area has been recommended by one viewer, unfortunately who has lost his device. So we would like to recover live, and this will be institution purpose. Similar strategy we will have to apply, and you will be able to quickly get it back. So see here, just we will go for here, tap next, and see here it's asking a password. So we don't have a password, so we have an option also that try another way. If I tap here, try another way, then see it's fetching, but of course taking times. We don't have a phone number also, so just we can directly bypass. Now it's saying so that especially here, see it's asking, so once again double, of course 2 phone number is as a recovery, but of course we don't have anyone's. Now it's saying so that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be the option that this account is mine. So ask, yes, Google ask for this. Thanks, info to keep your account secure. So how could I recover from that? So to recover your accounts, we will have to try again. Answer is the question of the songs or the manage with family. Link, we have the send the emails to you, the parents to the change your especially password. This is after also that if we try again and again, so then Google will contact you by a different email. You will have to give your reference, evidence, proof, identity on the basis of Google will justify that is it really or this is your account or not. But totally estimated times we can expect more than 48 hours. So how quickly do we can recover it? This can be the possible, guys. Of course, let's cut it from here and we will have to here tap on Play Store. Let's tap on a Play Store, guys. In Play Store, what we will have to write here, just we will have to write here West browser. So if you write here West browser, then we will have an option here that is just a scroll. Just we will go for a scroll, and here is yes Microsoft is AI browser. Just we will go for install it. Now we are not going to do anything. See here what will happen easily. This has been installed, but it's mandatory that 2 things we will have to change it. So let's come in a Google. In a Google here, just we will go for in a Google browser. Hold it. We will have our options that is app info files. We will tap on it here, guys. And after coming here, of course, in notification we will have to tap. And after coming here, just we will make it off notifications. We will back, and of course we will come the permission. In permission, what we will have to come in a locations. In location here, we will have to go for here. That is a precise location. Let's navigate to off this precise location and thereupon click on here. Don't allow anyway. Show your device no longer function as intended. Fines, no problem at all. We will cut it from here and thereupon after coming here. Once again, we have the browser. There's a Chrome. In the Chrome also we will have to go in there. In there here, just we will type on a notifications. In notification, of course, we will have to make it block, and thereupon of course will come the permission. There we'll have to navigate the location. In of course make the precise location off, and thereupon go for don't allow anybody. So we will have to back one more time here. Let's back one more time here, and now we can see as a default opening this open as a default browser, or we will link the see it's nothing here. We will of course scroll, and thereupon of course we will go for here back, and one more time we will have to now what we will do guys here, just we will cut it from here and the pawn. Here just we will come in a browser that I have downloaded. Sure, where it is here as browser. So now just we will open it, and after coming on here on this browser particular, of course we will wait here. We will have to wait, let it opens. Yes, it's taking time, no problem at all. We will have to wait here. Now see here, it's it's taking time. So now see here, it came here. We have as a default, and this thing is coming. So just let's defaults as a browser, and we will elect that is as a browser. Fans, we will tap on it here guys, and the of course we will go for here confirm. So if I go for confirm without selecting, no problem at all. Now here we have options, and that is especially in their URL we will have to write here, that is Google. We will come in a Google coin, and upon after coming a Google coin, just we will tap on a sign in, and after coming here we will have to write this account particular that we want to recover. So let's see, we will have to type guys here. Fine, of course we will go for next here, and let's see what's going to happen. It's asking a password. Fine, so of course we will go for forgot password, and if we go for forgot password, we will go for try another way. And if we go for try another way, what will happen guys, here it's asking the phone numbers. Fine, so we don't have a phone number. We will tap on it. So let's type. Now here see, it's become on here, but here we have one more option, that is a more tips to recover your accounts. Means it's a giving, so this can be the recovery guide. How it is, of course it is giving, so that your accounts can be or is managed with the family links. We have the sensor to that. We will not approach by that. Of course we will don't click on a try again, so because I am the trying to recovers this account by a different browser, so Google will track it easily guys. So what are the options in there? Of course we have these options, more tips to recovery this accounts, but this feature we will use by alternative way. So just we will have to cut it from here and leave it on the same situations, and thereupon of course we will have to tap on a setting guys. Now this thing is a very crucial step, so let's try on here on setting. In setting, of course, we have a one, there is an option, there is a Google. Let's see here. Now Google will recover itself guys. How it is possible? We will tap on this, and we will pick this help option. In a help option here we can write here concerns of these accounts, because having the problem here, and here we will have to select that you think someone else is using fines. So this one we will have to select, and after selections, see, now we are on here. Just we will come on a secure my accounts. So if I go for secure my accounts, let's tap on here, and after tapping on here, what we will have to do, just we will come on here, review your account activities, where it is here, and upon after coming here, just we will have to find out your account has been hacked. And if you tap on here, then once again just to see, we'll have option that is these tabs to recover. And when we tap on these tabs to recover, now we have the recovery page guys here, and after coming on the recovery page, just simply we will have to tap that is a particular ID guys, and to see what will happen. And now see here, directly we are on these options. So here just let's see here, it's see now a little bit especially it's a hanged of this device, but don't worry guys, just we will not click on here anything. So we have a two option, that's either we can go for here continue, or we can go for change the password. Here this smartly we don't click on especially continue, otherwise you would be trapped in its verify your options. So in that condition we will neglect this ones, and we'll go for change the password. And when we click on a change the password, now we have this strong opportunity to create this strong password here guys. And of course after writing on the create the strong password, confirms a new strong password, and upon of course go for yes, tap on here, change it on a live screen, so we cannot especially change it because this password would be in a public domain guys. But of course after changing, of course I will have to deliver this my viewer. So this is all about, and after changing here, of course go in